Hey, I'm Gus. I'm part of the Centre for Net Zero, which is part of Octopus Energy Group, which is one of the biggest energy companies in the UK. Also in France and Germany now, although much smaller, but you might see us around. I'm talking about synthetic smart meter data and the open data community we're creating around it. So why synthetic data? Smart meter data is essential to research, essentially, we think. Especially just understanding how energy demand profiles are changing, especially in a system where we think we need much more real-time optimization between demand and supply. Current modeling still largely based on static and highly aggregated data from the past. Before low-carbon technologies, consumer profiles were really predictable and power generation was controllable. And access to current demand data is still highly restricted, and we think rather than changing regulation, synthetic data will be a much faster way to get much more access to it. So what have we done? So firstly, we've created Faraday, which is a generative AI to create synthetic smart meter data. And we think it's one of the best in class from the tests we've done and from the competitors. This is trained on real-world smart meter data, so we've got access to millions of customers with even more millions of daily profiles, and as part of Octopus Energy. And our solution supports different archetypes. You can generate smart meter profiles for different low-carbon technology mixes, seasonality, and EPC ratings, which is like household energy efficiency ratings. And this allows us to create profiles that can have a wide variation of use. So you can look at kind of low carbon technology adoption in like specific areas, see what the impact of smart tariffs are, and changes in weather conditions. Next, we have launched a open source community in partnership with Linux Foundation, so LF Energy. And the idea is we want researchers to contribute algorithms like Faraday to the community to kind of improve them and have different use cases. And then for people who have raw smart meter data to use those algorithms to generate synthetic data and contribute it back to the community as well. So our initial focus is we're working on a technical paper to define what good looks like for synthetic data. So hopefully we can have consensus on the kind of parameters and around privacy metrics, fidelity, utility. We're developing the open repository for this, and we are going to try and get a good community to contribute data using these algorithms. Finally, bit of a long shot because most of you aren't based in the UK, but we're doing a launch event in London in person in the Octopus headquarters. So if you do find yourself in town on those dates, then please come along. Thank you very much. I think I'm in time.